We are here to mark the ceremonious key giving ceremony where our tenants will be given their keys to occupy the newly refurbished low estate units here in Belvedere. This initiative has been possible through collaboration with the World Bank, the government, and all other parties, the NRPB, and all other parties that have been involved during this moment. I would like to now bring the minister over, who will ceremoniously hand over the keys to the tenants and say a few words.
I must say that it gives me great pride and honor to be here, part of this event today, where we hand over 16 keys to 16 different homeowners. I must say that this has been long awaited. I would like to start off by thanking the staff of the Ministry of Prome, other staff within the Ministry of General Affairs as well, the staff of the Housing Development Foundation, the NRPB, the Trust Fund, and all these different stakeholders that made today a reality. We see now where these buildings have been refurbished, and an initiative like this is only a start in what is yet to come, because we have the other buildings that are yet to be completed. I said it a year ago, all the different homes in Belvedere, most of them need some serious attention, and I'm glad to be part of this process with a great team that all heads in the right direction in terms of moving forward. Thank all the stakeholders involved once again, and God bless all those.